I'm Tiffany James, your optical marketing expert. You've asked us about TikTok and how to create videos for your practices. Well, ask and you shall receive. With 1 billion monthly TikTok users, let's face it, we all need to jump on. Don't know where to start? No worries. We've broken down all the steps you'll need to make your TikTok debut. Create your account. To get started, download the app and create an account using your mobile device. We suggest using your phone or email when choosing the best way to log in. You will receive a 6-digit code sent to your phone or email. Once entered, you'll be ready to go. Be sure to follow VSP Vision Care on TikTok and take a look at some of the optometry practices that VSP is following to get inspiration. You can also select the Discover tab at the bottom to see trending content and hashtags for further inspiration. Making a video. It's easier than you may think to make your first video. Hit the plus sign at the bottom of your screen and upload photos and videos from your phone's library or make a video directly from the TikTok camera. If recording directly, hit the record button on the bottom of the screen and hit it again once you're done recording. Once done, be sure to include a short description with some hashtags so it finds its way to your audience. Then, share it everywhere. Putting clips together. If you want to try a different approach, you may find it's easier to capture multiple short clips and edit them together. Hit the plus sign to start your video, then you can hit that record button to start and stop after each clip, creating your video with a series of different clips. Adding music and effects. After recording, select the video clips you want to use and tap Next. Hit the Next when done. This time, you'll be brought to a preview screen where you can add more sounds, music, effects, text, and stickers. Tap Next one more time and you'll be done adding to your video and you'll be taken to a post screen. Keep it short and sweet. Don't worry about being extra picky with your videos. TikTok videos are meant to be candid and natural. TikTok's highest performing videos are between 30 to 35 seconds long, so keep it short and sweet. And no, you don't have to dance to entertain your followers. You can make videos of anything you want within your practice. For instance, a behind-the-scenes look at how your practice delivers quality patient care, a staff spotlight, or even a new frame collection are effortless ways to show your followers your personality. And don't forget to show your face if you're comfortable. TikTok users love seeing the people behind the account. Keep in mind, you should promote your TikTok across all your social platforms like Facebook and Instagram. By the way, our quarterly marketing playbook has even more actionable steps and tips to help your practice succeed. Start exploring the newest playbook today. Have a marketing topic you'd love to learn more about? Let us know in the comments or visit our website. Scroll you later!